you ever wondered what life after work will look like? A life of leisure, perhaps, or pursuing a passion that was always put on hold? To make this possible, it's crucial to plan for retirement early on. You see, retirement planning isn't just about amassing a lump sum. It's about ensuring a sustainable flow of income that'll keep you comfortable when the work checks stop. So, mapping your financial landscape for the golden years is truly about securing your future. Planning for retirement is not just about saving money, it's about securing your future. So, what are the key components of retirement planning? That's an excellent question. Let's break it down into 3 easy-to-understand steps: saving, investing, and planning for the unexpected. First up, saving. This is the starting point of your retirement journey. It's about setting aside a portion of your income consistently. Think of it like building a strong foundation for your retirement home. Next, we have investing. This is where you make your money work for you. By investing wisely, you can grow your savings over time, thanks to the power of compound interest. It's like building the walls of your retirement home on the foundation you've laid. Lastly, planning for the unexpected. This involves creating a safety net for unforeseen circumstances, like health issues or market volatility. It's like installing a security system in your retirement home. Remember, saving, investing, and planning for the unexpected are the pillars of a sound retirement plan. Now you might be wondering, where should I save and invest my money for retirement? Well, there are several types of accounts designed specifically for retirement savings, and we'll be discussing 3 of the most common ones today. The 401(k), the Individual Retirement Account or IRA, and the Roth IRA. Firstly, the 401(k). Named after its respective section in the tax code, 401(k) plans are offered by employers. You contribute a portion of your pre-tax salary into this account, which means you won't pay taxes on the money until you withdraw it during retirement. Some employers may even match a portion of your contributions, which is essentially free money towards your retirement. Next, we have the IRA. This is an account you open on your own, not through your employer. Similar to a 401(k), you contribute pre-tax dollars, and the money grows tax-deferred until you withdraw it. What's neat about IRAs is the wide range of investment choices available, from stocks and bonds to mutual funds. Lastly, the Roth IRA. While contributions to a Roth IRA are made with after-tax dollars, the main advantage here is that withdrawals during retirement are completely tax-free. It's a fantastic option if you anticipate being in a higher tax bracket during your golden years. Choosing the right retirement account can make a significant difference in your future financial security. Each account has its own benefits, and the best choice depends on your individual circumstances and goals. So, do your research, consider your options, and make the decision that's right for you. But how do you make informed decisions about retirement planning? This question is crucial for those who aim to secure a comfortable future. Understanding your financial situation is the first step. It's like taking a snapshot of where you stand today. This includes knowing your income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. Next, it's about setting retirement goals. What kind of lifestyle do you envision for your golden years? Maybe it's traveling the world, or perhaps it's simply maintaining your current standard of living. Your goals will shape your savings strategy. Finally, don't underestimate the power of professional advice. Financial professionals can provide valuable insights and help you navigate the complexities of retirement planning. They can guide you through different retirement accounts and help you make the most of your savings. Remember, retirement planning isn't a one-time event. It's an ongoing process that requires regular reviews and adjustments. Informed decisions today can lead to a comfortable retirement tomorrow. Retirement planning might seem complex, but with the right approach, it's manageable and rewarding. We've navigated through the crux of retirement planning today, shedding light on its key components. The importance of saving regularly, investing wisely, and planning for the unexpected cannot be overstated. Remember, the sooner you start, the better your chances at a comfortable, worry-free retirement. Different retirement accounts serve different purposes, and understanding these can significantly influence your financial future. From traditional IRAs to Roth IRAs, 401(k)s to 403(b)s, each offers unique tax advantages and withdrawal rules. Making informed decisions is crucial. Take your time to research, seek professional advice if needed, and always stay on top of your retirement plan. It's your future we're talking about here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wise Wallet Wisdom for more financial wisdom. Remember, your future starts today.